Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. Sorry, I'm a couple minutes late there. I had to click upload on something, and it was taking longer than I thought to load. We've got, well, I don't know who first in the chat. Showing me Tim, but he's saying Rozzy, so Rozzy must have been before Tim. Samantha, how you doing, Samantha? Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Slayer, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Rozzy, J-Bones, Rozzy, Slayer, Skystonify, J-Bones, Rozzy, DD214, Slayer, Skystonify, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Skystonify, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Skystonify, Slayer, Rozzy, Slayer, J-Bones, Slayer, Rozzy, DD214, Samantha, PS5, Tony, Slayer, Rozzy, Tim, Rozzy, Slayer, DD214, Slayer, Rozzy, Samantha, Slayer, Skystonify, DD214, Slayer, Rozzy, Skystonify, Slayer, Dark Bro, Samantha, Dark Bro, Tim, DD214, Kenneth, Slayer, Rozzy, Dark Bro, PS5, Rozzy, Dark Bro, Tim, Slayer, Dark Bro, Rozzy, Pudgy, Rozzy, Outdoor, we've got, gotta go back up, Slayer, Kenneth, Outdoor, Skystonify, Tim, Outdoor, Emma, Slayer, Rozzy, Tim, Emma, Kenneth, Emma, Frank, Dark Bro, Slayer, Samantha, Slayer, and Double. My goodness. That was a lot of messages, guys. You guys have been active, and before I even got in here right now, let's take a look at the market. We've got AMC in the top left, finishing the day down 7.44% at the moment, and up slightly after hours, not doing too much, but down 7.44% on the day to $5.72. Shiba Inu coin, 13.65, down 5% on the day today. GameStop closing at $21.10, down 0.5%, down to $21 after hours right now. Bitcoin down in the bottom left, sitting at $22,873, down 1.60%. Overall, very hard day for the market, both crypto and stocks. The NASDAQ finishing 1.68% lower at 11,910. GameStop, like you said, 2110. Biora Therapeutics, $3.87 close. AMC, 572. Ethereum, 1644. Shiba, 1363. Dogecoin, 8.9 cents. Bitcoin sitting at 22,873. Sundial closing the day down 2.5%. Mullen down to 39 cents. CEI down to $1.95. SPY down to 410. BBIG, 58 cents. 58 cents, man, coming back down a little bit, but wild action in BBIG today. Very, very volatile action, coming down to 53 cents, bouncing back up 10% to 58 cents. Highcraft Mining sitting at 50 cents per share. Netflix up on the day, 1.07%, $3.88 to close at $366.83. Terra Luna Classic has got a wild graph on Webull, and I do not know why it looks like this, but Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17,876 right now. QQQ sitting at 304, and Ape 286, losing 7.88% today. Very difficult day in the market. A lot of stocks losing 5 to 10%, with the overall market, as indicated by the NASDAQ, down about 2% on the day. So, very difficult day in the market. Patrick! Yes, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, Rozzy and Tim! Dilly. Oh, yes. For some reason, the hydration is a little bit more calming today. I don't know what it is. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat. Loving it, man. Emma, the finger thing of the day job is a nightmare. Other than that, it's just getting the farm ready for spring. There you go, Tim. And I would imagine that is a nightmare, man. Anytime somebody loses a finger, it's crazy. New drink game. Every time Clay says my name, take a shot. All right. I'm not going to say it now. Dark Bro, Streamlabs is lying. Streamlabs cuts off the chat. I don't know what it is. Kenneth, what's my name? Rozzy, your name's Kenneth. Tim, Slayer. Pat, heck yeah. Dilly. Oh, yes, feel that, Tim. I really need to get a good growing season this year. I think we all need to start looking at growing our own food. Yeah, things are getting a little weird out there. Hello, Clay. I made it, but I'm driving. Samantha, you don't need to text and drive. Absolutely appreciate you being in here. You can listen if you want. Thank you very much, and hopefully you're enjoying your day off today. Let's see. So what did Kai... I don't know, man. I think Kai was just pretty upset that Pudgy or somebody put him in timeout, or somebody put him in timeout. I don't know. I think things just spiral out of control pretty quick. Patrick, thank you again for the super chat. Dark Bro, you're always first in our hearts. Yes, and most of the time first in the chat as well. and maybe even first in the chat today. I don't know. Streamlabs was backed up. Hi, you're here too. Yes, me or somebody else. Everything red on the day except USAC closed the day even. It's pretty bad, man. It's pretty bad when you gotta celebrate those that close the day even. Wait, is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, stochastic RSI, resetting for a big pump? Because it looks bullish, not getting to even a Bitcoin, 21,000. So a move up 27,000 on the VRVP. Let's look at that in 2 seconds after I say market down, Blackhawk down, China balloon down. But I made $205 today. Everything's down, but you're making money. Kenneth, that's how it's done, man. Switch your water out with Moon. That is why it might be a little bit more relaxing, Pat. Now I gotcha. Clever. I watched State of the Union yesterday. I missed it because I was watching LeBron James become the all-time leader in points in the NBA. Was Sleepy Joe able to stay up late? No, I actually did not watch it. I did not want to put myself through it. On both sides of the fence, man. Everybody just... Here's what I don't understand, and maybe somebody can explain this to me. I completely get, and this is not going to turn into some political discussion, but I was thinking about this morning. Because there are stark differences between Democrats and Republicans. So much so that if you're a Republican, you think that Democrats have literally lost their mind. And if you're a Democrat, you think the Republicans have literally lost their mind. And I was wondering, it's almost like Democrats and Republicans now are two completely separate rival teams striving to beat each other at every single thing that they do. And I understand, because one of them is in control. You got to win, like you have to win elections. So a part of that is to make the other guy look as bad as possible. But it's almost like offense and defense, because the goal is still to make America great again, or to make it better, right? And if your goal should be the same, and you've got different approaches, and you've got an offense and a defense, like, shouldn't we have a little bit more of a union? And shouldn't we work together a little bit more than we do? Like, it has become something so drastically disgusting and vile that, no, I did not watch it. I don't intend to watch it. And any of the clips recapping anything, it's just insane to me, man, how some people can sit there and say, this is the greatest thing I've ever seen. We're doing so great. Yet, you know, they're paying ridiculous amounts for gasoline. Their friend just got laid off from a job. They got to go to the grocery store and pay 100% more than they were paying last year. And then you've got other people who just straight talk down. So, no, I didn't watch anything. But I think that there should be a little bit more of a focus on an actual goal instead of a focus on, like, such division like we see. But nonetheless, man, someone gifted me a membership. Whoop, whoop. Kristen, yes, you got a green name now. I make $45 on Carvana in the morning. Very good. I've been forgetting to do the thing. Well, you got the thing now. House divided and I can stand. And clearly demonstrating this in real time. Yeah, dude, I don't think you can get any further division, man. I really don't think you can get any further division. Nick F, good afternoon to you, Nick F. Sad because most of us are a little bit above D. Glad he finished that sentence there, because I thought Richie's Plain Talk was going to say, I think it's kind of sad because all of us are a little D. I'm like, speak for yourself, Richie's Plain Talk. What are you talking about? No. But I understand what you mean, man. I understand what you mean. But yes, a little D, a little R, you know, you kind of mixed on separate things, but everything is, man, pit against each other. Pit us against each other. Why don't you, man? Just pit us all against each other. Good old days, when more neutral and some crossover, but yeah, outdoor, it's like, there's no neutral anywhere now. And I actually don't know if, because I was thinking about that, I watched the clip earlier today, in between the live streams, from Mr. Beast. And not to say, like, Mr. Beast has anything to do with division, right? But he was making a pretty good point about thumbnails. And if you're going to make a thumbnail and a title for a video, your entire goal is to get somebody to click on that video. And if you want to click on the video, he made the example, which is funny, because I did a video before on eating bananas, right? He said, you don't want to make a video and have the viewer think bananas are good or I like to eat bananas. You need the viewer to think bananas are the best food in the world and you will die if you don't eat a banana. You have to like just completely exaggerate the point to where somebody has to click on that video. And he says you don't want to say how to get 100 million views on YouTube. You need to, that's not even far enough. You need to say how to get 1 billion views on YouTube. And I believe that social media kind of has driven that division a little bit because the only posts and videos and stuff that get engagement are the ones that are the most pressing. They're the ones that are the most out there, that don't allow for any middle ground. And I mean, I do think that social media has a lot to do with that. My last couple punchy outs try right after I say Richie's Plain Talk. Thank you very much for the super chat. What do you think of the AI coins, Clay? So Richie, man, I was scrolling through and I may do a video that talks about some AI coins tonight because I saw several. If you go Google cryptocurrency news, I saw several headlines talking about AI coins and AI coins and AI coins and AI coins. And this AI trend with ChatGPT and Google's new chatbot or whatever they got out there, Google's new AI trend. So here's what I think about them right now, okay? I don't know if at this point, because I haven't looked into them enough, I don't know if at this point we're already too late to take advantage of the frenzy. And because everybody's already talking about it now, it's kind of like, all right, well, that opportunity has passed. Or if AI is really going to turn into the discussion over the next year. So if you look at it, man, maybe like 2 years ago, we had decentralized exchange tokens, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, things like that really soared in value. Maybe last year, Shiba Inu coin, yes, did great, but gaming tokens and metaverse tokens doing very well. And you've got these different trends that take place over time. So DeFi tokens, yes. Metaverse tokens, yes. Meme coins, yes. There's all these different avenues that you can go down. And in AI coins could absolutely be the discussion of 2023. Now, one thing I want to point out, AI still has a long way to go. We're seeing a lot of bias in ChatGPT and in a lot of disgusting bias in ChatGPT. But I want to show you Google because Google got hit very hard today and I was wondering why, and I don't know if this headline is going to pull up. But Google losing, Google closed at exactly $100 flat. That's actually pretty cool. Google losing over 7% on the day. It was down even heavier earlier, touching lows today of $98.46 because there's some factual inaccuracies with their new chatbot. And I don't know if it's going to pull this article up here or not. Okay. So, yeah, and I know if I click this, it's not going to bring the full article up. So, Bard is what Diffie Dog, I believe, was talking about yesterday, the day before. It's Google's answer to ChatGPT. And Alphabet stock slipping 8% today. Think about an 8% decline on a market cap of $1 trillion. Dude, you're talking about a $100 billion decline. $100 billion loss because of Bard making some factual mistakes. AI is not where it needs to be yet. So in a sense, we could definitely still be early on the AI trend. Or if AI continues to goof up the way that we've been seeing with ChatGPT and all of its like political and racial biases and Bard having facts inaccurate, then people may give up on AI and the craze may die down until things kind of revolutionize again. So I might do a video on some AI coins or AI stocks tonight, Rich, to go back and you know, kind of sum up the point there on the super chat. But there's still a long way to go but AI since ChatGPT made its debut is already died down a little bit, man. $67.3 billion for the F-22 Raptor program, including research and development. Now undefeated in the first test air-to-air combat. That's balloon and never stood a chance. Nice, Frank. Yeah, I don't know anything about the F-22, but it sounds sick, man. Sad part is both sides are screwed. I lean towards libertarian, small government, more individuals, right? Like, yeah, you know what? And Tony, look, dude, we could go back and debate on both sides all day long. I just think it's gross when we're both playing for the same team, man. We really are. You know, I think that both sides and anywhere in the middle should want our country to be as successful as possible. But I also think that, you know, this social media idea of if you want engagement, if you want supporters, if you want to make the news, you can't say we could both win. You can't offer a solution where everybody wins. You have to say that the other guy is a loser and you are a winner. Even if you're lying straight to everybody, you have to say the other guy's a loser and you are a winner. It's really sad, man. Tony D, almost like the Federal Republic that we are. Yeah, probably should be, right? Speaking of meme coins, what do you think of Volt Inu? Cache cats, man, or cash cats. I think that Volt Inu has a very high tax, but Volt Inu, I believe, can 100x if it wants to get to the same price as, or the same valuation as Shiba Inu coin. So it's got a lot of potential, man, but it's like a 13% buy and sell tax. You gotta really make a solid gain if you actually want to gain anything. Dark Bro, Project Inferno, coming soon by Dark Bro. Very nice, Dark Bro. I like it. We are all sitting here on the edge of our seats waiting for something to happen there. Project Inferno sounds like it's gonna be hot. I'm not sure about Libertarian, I don't understand them 100%, but I've seen where they have tax breaks, and dude, tax breaks are good. Oh, wait, Pat's probably in here. We love taxes. We love paying taxes. Small taxes, large taxes. YouTube is listening right now. Big brother, yep, well, any taxes are good taxes. We need to pay them. What's going on, Tyler Survivor? The Wi-Fi and I are, what, the Wi-Fi and I are playing for Rajaka? Good, I think, maybe. Retracted, something maybe I missed something. You missed my hashtag, Claybro. Claybro with a Kia Forte for president. You're welcome. Listen, if I run for president, yes, Kia better sponsor that campaign. Forget these big banks and pharmaceutical companies. No, Kia better sponsor that campaign. If they don't, we did something wrong, guys. Balloon was blown out of the sky at 90 miles from me. Just watch from the highway. Oh, did you really, Kenneth? Did you watch it? I saw a lot of videos, man. So, Kenneth, you in North Carolina or South Carolina? Because technically, I think you could be either way because it was around Myrtle Beach, right? Hey, Clay, how you doing today? Wasim, I'm doing very well today. Yeah, bro, if that was the proper way, you'd be dogging out your friend Matt Perry. No, it really would. It really would. And a lot of people do that technique, man. A lot of people do that technique. I've seen it, before YouTube days and all of that. And I'm going to tell you, I've read very, very few books in my life. I just don't like reading. I've read very few books in my life, but one of the books that I skimmed through was like the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People or something, written by a guy named Stephen Covey or something. And it's very weird, okay? Because a lot of corporations might make you read this book. You might have to read this book in school or whatever, like a leadership academy, something like that. And he's got some good ideas. To me, they seem like common sense. But it's very strange when you see somebody, kind of employing these ideas on the surface. But then when it comes time to actually use them, they say no. And one of them is that there are win-win situations or win-win-win situations. There's enough to go around, and success generates success. So a lot of people have a win-lose mentality. If you're winning, I have to lose. And if I'm winning, you have to lose. Both of us can't be successful. And to a certain degree, you know, you've got corporation pitted against corporation. It's true, right? If you're taking up 50% of the market share, if you eat 70% of the market share, there's only 30% left for me. To a certain degree, if there is a limit on, you know, what exists out there, then I get it. We could live in a win-lose situation. But I truly believe that there are win-win opportunities where if I'm winning, you're winning. And if you're winning, I'm winning. So, you know, I look at guys like Matt Perry does a lot of great videos, and I'm just going to talk about the YouTube realm right now, since that's basically what we got going on. You know, I look at all these other guys that are creating YouTube videos, and if you specifically like dive down into the coins and cryptos and stocks that we talk about here, you could say, well, you know what? Shoot. If Matt Perry's got somebody watching him right now, that person can't be watching me right now. If Matt Perry does a video on Shiba Inu coin, I can't do a video on Shiba Inu coin because if somebody watches that one, there's no chance that they can watch mine. And that doesn't make sense to me. You know, I mean, maybe if we're live streaming at the same time, and somebody's unwilling to jump back and forth between lives, like I get it at that point. It's kind of a limited gain over there. But I think, man, you know, I make videos on Terra Luna Classic. Crypto King makes videos. Classy Crypto, Millennial Market, some of these other guys that just try to make videos. You got Richie's Plain Talk making videos, right? You've got so many different perspectives that, to me, it makes sense to look at a different perspective and kind of gauge it as to whether or not it resonates with you. So just because somebody watches my video doesn't mean they can't watch Richie. Just because they watch Richie doesn't mean they can't watch me. And it's not this competition between, well, dude, I have to make sure Richie sucks because that's the only way that I'm going to do well. No, man. If Richie's successful, why can't I be successful too? If everybody is just looking out for everybody's best interest, man, you know, everybody is going to be so much better off. It's absolutely wild. Let me ride around an armored stretch forte. J-Bones, you already know that I would, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. To the Clay Bro with the Kia Forte for President Fund. Good call, Kristen. Yes, we need that right now. Guys, somebody get in contact with Kia, please. Dude, and we're going to have like an unlimited water bottle for this campaign as well. There's going to be a lot of authorized hydration on this presidential campaign. We're going to have to get Kia on board, and I don't know, you guys can pick your water. Dasani or whatever you want, Deer Creek or whatever it is, whatever you guys want to get on board for the water. We need them on board as well. So we're going to need an authorized water hydration sponsor, and we're also going to need a Kia sponsor. Winning is only a zero-sum game if takeaways and learning opportunities are missed. Yeah, Pat, I agree with it, man. I agree with it. It just seems like, for some reason, everybody else has this competition mentality where we all can't win. And if we all can't win, I'm going to be honest with you, man. Half of us are going to lose, if not all of us are going to lose. Because then the other half that won, everybody hates them. You know what I mean? Like, what does it mean to win if everybody hates you? Man, okay, never mind. To a certain degree, you can't care what everybody thinks because nobody's ever going to always agree with you. But yeah, dude, there's room for growth for everybody, man. There's room for growth for everybody. Afternoon, Claybro. Still holding the SQQQ. Took some profit at 36. Bought some more. Sitting at 34.50 average. Very nice. JJ on the pullback. Making money. I like it, man. Today was probably a pretty good day for you, JJ, on that one. With the QQQ dropping about 2% on the day, right? Yeah, 1.78%. SQQQ was probably looking pretty good there. Watch 12 or so different channels. See what I'm saying, Mr. Brian, man? See what I'm saying? Like, gosh, dude. Some of these guys that just love the competition and love dirt talk and everybody else. I disagree with some stuff, right? I don't like clickbait as much as other people like it. I don't necessarily like having as strong of a viewpoint to push away other viewers as some other people do. But yeah, dude, look, dude can watch 12 channels, and he could probably watch even more than that. Central Ohio, the weather is odd. The weather in Ohio is odd for sure. Well said, I agree. Everyone can win, but anyone not buying Glowstone is a loser. Or that token that had a $29 market cap earlier. Clay, you should form the Kia Keeping It Awesome party. Pat, you're hired, man. You're hired. You and Pika are going to be running the campaign right there because that sounds amazing to me. The Keeping It Awesome party. Dude, wouldn't you imagine like that Kia would actually try to sue me if I came up with a Keeping It Awesome party? There goes that win-lose situation. I'm trying to promote Kia, man, because I like my Kia Forte. We're going to Keeping It Awesome party, and they're like, no, you can't use our logo. You can't use our KIA. Pat, trying to get me in trouble, and I ain't even started yet. If we all can't win, do we all still get trophies? No, we do not get trophies if we don't win. You do get a trophy if you do win. So if we all win, we get trophies, but if we all lose, well, we all don't get trophies because we all lost together. Let's see, I could not even tell you where to get a Kia here in North Carolina. Most dealers are Chevy, Ford, and Volvo. Well, Kenneth, there's got to be a Kia dealer. Otherwise, we're going to be opening one in North Carolina. Watch all you because I like the different perspectives. Avi, Matt Perry, Claybro, Crypto, Casey, Happy Caddy Crypto. I like to get the same info from different angles, then make my own D's, man. That's the best way to do it. That's the best way to do it, man. It really is. And you know, my perspective is going to differ from their perspective at times, and that's okay if your perspective differs from my perspective, right? Because we have the same goal, dude. We both want to make wicked amounts of money in the stock market, in the crypto market. I don't care how you make it. I don't care what coin you make it on. If you like to jump in, just, polar bear plunge naked like Outdoor Smile and as risky stuff as possible, or if you tend to just ease your way down into the hot tub, man, and take a little bit more conservative approach. I still want you to make money. I really do. And I think that everybody should want you to make money. We need to work together. I did a video and said I couldn't take credit for it because you put me on that dog. What now? You eating a hot dog on your videos, dude? If you're eating a hot dog on your videos, I like it, man. Everything to everyone according to their needs. Nah, man, that's like the movie Everything Everywhere All at Once. It's wild, dude. Wild. What's base feel any better, Clay, bro? You're the only channel that I ever boosted on YouTube and Discord. Boom! Mr. Brian, I appreciate that, dude. I really do. Anytime you guys grab green names, send super chats and stuff, I absolutely love it. But I do want you to know, just watching a video, sharing it with somebody, clicking the like button or leaving comments, that's like the fundamental support. So if you guys don't feel like boosting any servers or sending any super chats or becoming a member on a channel like that, you have no idea my channel and everybody else's channel that's trying to make a go of it out there. Just watching, clicking a like button and all that stuff is just fundamental support, man. Stingers go hard. The car is a little heavy, but if you floor it at 50 miles an hour, you're at 103 seconds. Nice. D's. I'm not going to be going 100 miles an hour in my Forte. Clay for President, making 2024 to 2028 the best years ever. Emma, we can make it happen. I don't know if anybody's going to vote for a 35-year-old, but we could give it a shot. New folk, his Sleepy Joe is going to open his mouth something. Whoa, why did the sun fall off this week? I really do think that it had to do with the State of the Union in looking at it both ways or whatever. It's the only thing that has really occurred over the last 24 hours that has enough pull to change market direction. Yes, we were reaching a level of resistance, but we were doing so on solid economic news from Jerome Powell and an optimistic outlook. and then we pull back like this. So I'm not trying to blame the dude for it, because obviously we know kind of what he's gonna say. But yeah, I think that the State of the Union probably had a little bit of a role in pulling back today, man. Deal or burn bro coin is gas fees and accept crypto for campaign donations. Yes, we're gonna do it, man. Pat, we're gonna do it. We're gonna make this happen. I make money. I only watch Clay. Clay has still not made me rich, but I love watching the silly stuff he does. Just wondering if his wife in the other room, wondering what the heck is going on. Dude, I think I sometimes wonder what's going on in here. And, yeah, you know what, man? I don't know anybody that is going to make you extremely rich, especially in the market that we've been in, right? I do see guys out there posting on Twitter, and I don't necessarily like this, right? They say, look, I had these 3 picks right here, and these 3 picks are up 40x over the last 2 months. I see these quite often. And it makes me think, dude, okay, but what about the other picks that you missed out on, right? If you go in there and you're just throwing out like these gems that can 100x, that have $500 market caps, that's just, you're picking lottery plays, man. You're picking lottery tickets at that point. And if one of them sticks, you're going to be some sort of a guru for the rest of eternity, right? I don't necessarily like that, man. I like a more conservative approach. Deez says, yeah, what about a hot dog, man? All this Forte talk is making me hungry. You take that hot dog and you dip that hot dog in your favorite dip, and when you're done dipping that hot dog, you shove it. Deez, man, thank you very much for the hot dog. Appreciate that, man. Outdoor Smile. Devil's Advocate got a green name. I don't even know if Devil's Advocate's in here right now, but he better come in here. Tim! Samantha! Those are 2 good green names right there. Tim throwing one out to Samantha, and Outdoor Smile throwing one out to Devil's Advocate. I love it, man. Thank you guys both for those green names. Absolutely appreciate it, and couldn't go to 2 better people there. Very nice, Tim. Very nice, Outdoor Smile. Welcome to both of you. Well, that sucks. No, it doesn't. That was a good one, man. Devil's Advocate, he's in here every now and then. He deserves a green name, too. You did good on it, man. Peace out, y'all. Gotta go do some homework for the next video. Love y'all. Learn from you all. Hey, you know what? Richie's Plain Talk. Enjoy your evening, man. Can't wait to see the next video. And I hope thank you very much for that super chat again, by the way. And I just hope you have a pretty relaxing evening tonight, man. Patrick! Yo, this is what's going on. Kenneth, yeah, sometimes Kenneth, you want to know a little about the shenanigans? So hard turkey to do, man. Thank you very much, Pat. And Richie's Plain Talk with 10 green names and Kenneth with another one. My gosh. We got green names going to Rymar, Sibian, Alex Leem got a green name. Sam Demand number 4 got a green name. Loving it. Chris Pepper got a green name. Cash got a green name. Keith got a green name. Samantha, there you go. You a green name. I love the look. Siobhan got a green name. Silas got a green name. Uncle Chicken got a green name. Vet Olson, very nice. Vet Olson had some super chats yesterday. Vet Olson got a green name. Looking good. Kevin got a green name. You guys are absolutely killing it, man. Richie's Plain Talk, thank you very much for all the green names. And Kenneth, thank you very much for that green name there. I'm telling you, you guys better throw those thank yous out in the chat right now, especially if you got a green name. But nonetheless, man, show your support to these guys throwing those green names out there. I don't see any green. I see Yee, man. Yee, Matthew, and Wasim are the only dudes that have gray names right now. Guys, click on that thing and enable your gift receiving. You guys probably should have gotten a green name, but you didn't. So make sure you click on that thing that Kenneth and Richie's Plain Talk sent, and then click enable gift receiving if you want a green name. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Hello, bro. I'm a bit late, but hey, ho, what's going on, Matthew? Glad to have you. Wasim, there you are. They are kind. They're very kind, Samantha. I predicted this Friday, for every share of Forge you own, you will earn 15 cents. Ooh, do we have a dividend coming out to this Friday, Frank? Interesting. It sounds like a very good prediction to me. So just to share a little information on Project Inferno, I'm in the process of making a special item that 100% of the revenue will be used to burn specific coins, which will be listed soon. Very nice, Dark Bro. I'm outdoors, drinking a beer, smiling. Nufo. I'd prefer... Is it cold out, dude? It's 45. It's 46 degrees outside right now. It's a little cold. What's the temperature for you? It just seems like a little cold to be outside. Drinking anything right now. Even a hot chocolate. I don't even think I'd want to go sit outside and drink a hot chocolate right now. Just seems too cold to me. Richie is the man. Yes. Yee, hello. Hoodie for Tim for creating King Turkey. Yeah, Tim could use a hoodie for creating King Turkey there. That actually might be a good idea for Tim. Tim throwing a membership out there. Matthew grabbing a green name. Man, you guys are giving green names to everybody in here. I like it. Still gray. Yee, all right. Matthew got the green name on that one. Johnstontown is gray. Even the Devil is green. Yes, Devil's Advocate is green on this one, man. The goal will be 100% transparency, community-driven. Teach these devs how it's done. Yeah, Dark Bro. That's really the only way to go about it these days, man. If you don't have transparency like that, you end up with soon. Soon, friend. Soon. Smash the like button like my third grade teacher would smash students in the dark closet. I'm still damaged. Please smash the like button. Listen to Johnstontown and smash that like button, guys. It's the only way through this live stream. Nufo must be cold in Pluto. It is very cold in Pluto, man. Very cold. Tim and Outdoor Smile are very kind. I didn't expect that. Tim and Outdoor Smile are very kind. 71 degrees here. Man, 71 degrees actually sounds beautiful, dude. It does sound very nice. Hey, bro, I've gone green. Thank you, whoever it was. It was Tim. Matthew, man. It was Tim that threw it out there. Very nice. Let's see. Can you go over Affirm's earnings? Possibly. Let's look here. 60 degrees in California. 60's not bad, but I don't know if I'd want to be sitting outside if it's just like flat 60. 45 here, considering they're normally freezing in Wisconsin. Heat wave. No, you don't want to. You still don't want to go outside and hang out in 60 or in 45 degree weather. Let's see what we've got in terms of their earnings if they've been reported here. Yeah, so just a brief summary of Affirm's earnings because, wow, they are down 18% after hours. Let's take a look at this chart real quick. Affirm, wow. Affirm had gone from $8.62 up to $22 last week. It's been coming down this week. And after hours right now, getting blasted down to $13 a share, losing nearly 20%. Probably losing 20% down here and bouncing back just slightly. So let's look and see what these earnings look like here. Earnings came in, this is pretty tough. Earnings came in at $1.10 per share loss, when expectations were for a 98% per share. 98 cent per share, loss. And sales came in at $399 million, missing expectations of $416 million. So going into today, people expected $416 million in revenue and a 98 cent per share loss. What they got was only $399 million in revenue and a $1.10 per share loss. So that is a pretty tough miss on there. I mean, the EPS looks like a tough miss. That's like a 12% miss there. That one, I don't know how they came up with that 12% miss. They must have had a lot of costs they didn't account for. This, however, like a 5% miss, 4% miss on revenue doesn't look that bad, but the earnings per share miss does look pretty hard. Does it justify a 17% dip? I don't know, but maybe people were pretty optimistic over the last week because it looks very steep, but we're just back to where we were on February 1st. February 1st was just 1 week ago, last Wednesday. So a little lower since it's after hours here. So you're back down to prices where you were 2 weeks ago. It had a very nice rally, but now coming down because of this. I don't know if it's a justifiable loss based on the revenue there and based on the earnings. But yeah, they missed earnings by, what was it, 12 cents? 12 or 14 cents. And then they missed revenue by about $15, $16 million. Where are we going? Where are we going? I really have no idea how these gifts work or how to redeem Wasim. It's all right, man. You don't have to figure it out if you don't want to. What's up, Clay? What is all this talk about AI tokens? People are loving the AI token talk today, man. So like I was saying a little bit earlier to Richie, I saw a lot of headlines about AI tokens, right, and AI stocks. I've not read the articles yet, but there's a part of me that wants to do a video on some AI tokens tonight. AI tokens have probably been doing very well over the last couple of weeks because of the frenzy and all the excitement around ChatGPT. Now, frenzy and excitement around ChatGPT kind of dying down a little bit, and ChatGPT has been expressing a lot of bias lately, which is not good. And then if you go out to Google, you can see that Google getting hit very hard today, losing 7.5% on the day, dropping heavily because its AI has been making some factual mistakes. So AI is not where it needs to be yet. But AI could be the talk of 2023. And AI tokens could be the gainers of 2023. So I'm not 100% sure what all the talk about AI tokens is yet. I've seen a ton of headlines. I've not read the articles, but AI is really been in the forefront over the last couple of weeks because of ChatGPT and all this artificial intelligence. 81 degrees in the Tampa area. Dude, I want 81 degrees. It has been so long. It's been so long since I've just enjoyed going outside. It really has. Matthew, my pleasure. Keep it green. There you go, man. 82.73. That's a heat wave in northern Colorado. Just kidding. It's 41 up here. Yeah, dude. 46, 41. Pretty similar, but still cold. I think it's my new home away TikTok. There you go. Samantha. I think YouTube is actually a little bit better than... Let me rephrase that. YouTube is better than TikTok. Obviously, TikTok is just more of a mindless scroll. But I do think that this is better than TikTok. So you'll love it here. Anyone gift me green? Yeah, well, so it is random. It doesn't go directly to you. Let's see. Pudgy's fat finger and something over there. Will the markets recover tonight? I'm down $20. Dial up Survivor. I hope so. I don't know if it will. I mean, we're bouncing off resistance levels. If you look at the NASDAQ on the daily, we're bouncing off this resistance area. So honestly, we could come back down a little bit before we bounce up again, but I hope it continues this trend, and now instead of this descending trend line that you can see coming in from the left hand side of the screen, I'm hoping we start something like this. That would be beautiful. Okay, so we may come down a little bit further, okay, if we do, but I'm hoping that this is what we start to see in the overall market now. Just a beautiful, slow, steady, gradual incline throughout the rest of the year is going to be music to my ears, man. So if we continue to hit higher lows, it is going to be very nice in my opinion. But we'll just have to wait and see. Obviously, they could come out tomorrow and say we started World War III. Everybody go down to your bunker and, we rip new lows. So we'll have to see how it plays out. But Bitcoin seems to be doing pretty well over the last half hour. New phone, thank you for the rain, bro. New phone, thank you for the rain, bro. New phone, thank you for the rain, bro. New phone, man, thank you very much for the rain, bro super chat. Thanks for answering my question. Hey, you're the man. Hope you do look into them. Make a video. You're the best, man. Richard, you're the best, dude. It's strange. Two Richies coming in and asking questions about AI tokens tonight. Richies must be into AI. Old Rounder, thank you for the 4-month member chat. 4 down, 8 to go. 2023 will be the best year ever. Old Rounder, I love it, man. Thank you for keeping that green name for 4 months. And yes, 1 year is only 8 months away. Perfect, dude. Welcome back, Pat. Pat, welcome back. Quit looking. Can't register numbers that low. Pat, I don't even know what numbers we're looking at right now. Darn it. Burbank Hill. Something, is that where you're from, or what are we talking about? Clay, bro, a little more red before green. I went nothing but green. I went what the people think that markets are like. I want just a straight line up, man. No ever pulling back. Just a straight line, no curve whatsoever. Just a straight line up. Don't have a bunker, I have a tent. Matthew, well, a bunker or a tent, you're good to go. Let's see. The hills look nice. I don't even know what hills I was talking. Was I talking about hills, or was somebody else talking about hills now? Shiba needs to keep going up. Yeah, everything needs to keep going up. Everything needs to keep going up. Moas is incoming. That being Matt Kors, the mother of all sorry shit. Now, we can't rip on Matt Kors, man. Listen, I don't know. I think Matt Kors kind of asks for it sometimes because he likes to post stuff on Twitter instead of just ignoring these people. I will tell you, dude. The people that are still like gung-ho on AMC on Twitter, they're almost like the people that were on Reddit at the very beginning. Only one-sided, and there's no other way to say it other than toxic. And I don't necessarily want to get involved with any of that. Matt does push himself into it a little bit, but I will say this, dude. There is not a single nice person that leaves a comment on Matt Kors' stuff out there. So, whether or not he likes to post controversial things and kind of bait him a little bit to I don't know, argue with him, I don't know. But they're just not nice, man. They're not nice. And it's just as easy not to leave a comment and scroll by and say, this dude's annoying, than it is to, berate the dude and tell him how terrible he is. It's just, I don't like that. I don't like that. Richard! Good job, Richard! Good job, Richard! Good job, Richard! Hey, Richard, you did a good job, Richard! Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. Jim Cramer says bull run, so everything... Oh, my gosh, dude. If Jim Cramer says we're in a bull run, yeah, man, it's time to sell. Darn it. Someone make a donation of $1,000 is a challenge. Actually, you can't eat. The highest you can do on a super chat is $500. What's shaking, Clay? Special ed. I don't think anything's shaking right now. I don't think anything's shaking. Is this the last red day of the year? Oh, this is a good one. Magic 8 Ball. Nufo and I would like to know, is this the last red day of the year? Yes. Perfect, man. As I see it, yes. As I see it, yes. This is the last red day of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got that straight line going up. 8 Ball confirmed. This is the last red day of the year. Nufo, man. Thank you very much for asking that question. You just brought glorious gains to all of us for the rest of the year, man. Burbank Hills is nice. I went to high school in Glendale, so I frequent in the area. Very good, man. I have no idea what area we're talking about, but very nice. I went to move by Cape Canaveral so I can watch Rockets. Only Shiba and LUNC can get me there. Nah, you know what? You don't need to limit yourself to only Shiba Inu Coin and Terra Luna Classic. They'll definitely help, but I think there's so many other coins out there that can lead to prosperity and just, slow, gradual growth in stocks as well. Oh, heck no. If I can leave this nasty troll comment, I'm going to roll up and wound your inner child. I understand, but people beat up on Matt. They really beat up on Matt Kors too much, man. They really do. They really beat up on Matt Kors too much. Nufo, you're killing me. I need a red. My bots depend on red days. Hey, man, it's not just Nufo. It's the 8 Ball that killed you too, Kenneth. Dang, man. Well, there goes my savings. I'm buying everything. Outdoor smile. The only way to act is to listen to the 8 Ball. And if it says there are no more red days, boom, baby. Gains on gains on gains. Shoot, man, I don't care. You can tell the world you heard it here first. We ain't going to have another red day the rest of this year. Stocks and crypto. Nothing but green. Whoo! Nothing but green. Yes, the 8 Ball cannot lie. Cash, the 8 Ball cannot lie. Yo, just got off work. Finally home. Michael, glad to have you home and glad to have you in the live stream. The 8 Ball said last red day. Oh, God, we're in trouble. No, we're not, man. No, we're not. All green, dude. All green. Hey, I had fun TikTok battles. No. Yeah, that is true. The TikTok battles, especially with Stephanie. Stephanie's great. The TikTok battles are a lot of fun over there. The TikTok battles are fun. I'm talking like the mindless scrolling on TikTok where, you see like, I don't know what you see on there. It's bad stuff. Bro, I know you don't like saying my whole name, so just call me Mike. I will. Mike. I'll call you Mike, man. Your thoughts on Terraport Finance? It's a new DEX that will burn LUNC. Yeah, special ed. So Terraport has been doing a pre-sale on their tokens for the last... This dude tries to get me every day saying his name. For the last couple of weeks now, they've been doing these pre-sales. I don't know how much they've raised. I haven't looked at them in like a week or so. So I don't know how much money they've raised so far. But here's the thing. I think that the majority of their success, right, is going to be based off the Terra Luna Classic community. But the majority of the Terra Luna Classic community success is going to be based on the fact of whether or not they can bring other communities in. So if they only limit their marketing and they only limit their target audience to people who already own Terra Luna Classic, they have more to gain than Terra Luna Classic does. If they're able to create a decentralized exchange that a lot of people use and it becomes the next Pancake Swap or something, then Terra Luna Classic has a lot to gain from their utility. So it all depends, man, how far and how much they strive for success. Deez, thank you very much for the super chat. Deez says, I want to see a little lick and stick action. I got you. You take the banana, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Deez, man, thank you very much for the lick and stick technique, just in case anybody forgot how to eat a banana out there. I hate to say, but retail is 70% bullish on stocks and 76% bullish on crypto. This is basically where we were before the crash last year. Kind of scary. Onion News Network. That is kind of scary, man. That is kind of scary. If we're already that bullish, gosh, dude, I don't know how much higher we could go before crashing again. But what I do know is we need institutional money to flow back into the crypto space if we want to see some of these wild swings in bigger coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So retail loves coins like Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic and so on, but you've got to consider institutions when you're looking at major gains in multi-hundred-billion-dollar coins. Hey, is Raven Coin reminting burnt coins? I noticed the max supply never changed. Pat, I actually have no idea, man. I have no idea. So I don't know if they're reminting or if you're looking at it on CoinMarketCap, if CoinMarketCap just doesn't update. Because I know CoinMarketCap does not always update on Terra Luna Classic and Shiba Inu coin when those coins are burned. So I don't know what they do for Raven Coin, especially since it's a lot less popular. The good news is Raven Coin was 2 cents a couple weeks ago. Now it's 3 cents, man. Raven Coin sitting here, 3-month graph, going from, 1.8 cents all the way up to 3.1 cents over the last, basically, month, since the beginning of 2023 here. Been sitting on some very nice gains. And Raven Coin, look, Raven Coin did very well in 2021. Raven Coin shot up to 20, this says 25, but I remember seeing it at 28 cents. So, Raven Coin, another one to watch, guys, if you want something that could see a nice explosion, especially as it's coming back down here to these 1 and 2 cent lows, the all-time lows that it's had before. You guys can see, boom, 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 bottom, bottom, potentially another bottom. You know, we might jump back up to, what is this here, to 5, 6, 7 cents on it before it reaches resistance again. So, something to watch out for if you guys are into or want to look at another coin there. Raven Coin's definitely got some potential. But I don't know what they do in terms of mints and in burns there. He may be hidden. I cannot find Mike. Where's Mike at, guys? Where's Mike? Mike, you still out there? Yeah, institutions are almost at cash peaks. Throw that cash into crypto, please. Make us all rich. And the thing you guys got to remember, get out before the institutions get out. Because when the institutions dump, they're going to be dumping into retail that's FOMO buying in. Okay? It's just a cycle that they do. They sit in cash, prices come down. retail investors get tired of the market. They start buying. Prices start going up. Retail starts to get into a frenzy. Retail starts buying. That's when institutions, they've already bought, driving the prices higher. That's when institutions say, here's our exit liquidity. And they start to dump on retail investors and use them to get out. They're sitting in cash again. Stock prices, crypto prices are coming back down. And then they repeat the cycle. And that is why Warren Buffett is always quoted saying that the stock market transfers wealth from the impatient to the patient. So you've got to outlast the institutional cycles there. Gone Postal his friend Mike. Well, no, how many mics are there in here? How many mics are there? Thoughts on Jasmy? Yeah, special ed. So we looked at Jasmy. Jasmy has done very nice over the last couple of weeks. It's doubled in price. Thing you got to look out for in Jasmy, though, don't expect Jasmy to go back up to all-time high prices. Because if you're looking at the all-time prices here, all-time high prices, you're going from less than a cent to $4. It's a 400x gain. Don't expect that, because if you're looking at market cap, okay, market cap, we're sitting on almost a $400 million market cap, and the max market cap's $1.2 billion. So you're basically looking at a 3 to 4x gain in overall market cap to reach previous highs. So that's kind of what you want to look at there. They have diluted the coins that are outstanding quite drastically since the beginning. That's why the price has dropped the way that it has. But you got to look at market caps there, and a max market cap would lead to a basically 3.5, 4x gain from where we are right now. Patrick, one for the road, Clay. Thank you very much, Pat. I'm sitting here desiring some authorized hydration, and I got it. So good. So good. Thank you very much, Pat, for the super chat and the authorized hydration. Happy birthday, Gone Postal. I turn 41 tomorrow. Postal, is it your birthday? Postal. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gone Postal. Happy birthday to you. Gone Postal, man. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. And D's. We're singing to you tomorrow, man. We're going to be singing to you tomorrow for sure. Bye, Sam. Sam, enjoy your afternoon. It's afternoon for you, right? Not evening quite yet. Enjoy your afternoon, Sam. Thank you very much for coming back, and hopefully you enjoyed your day off today. I got you by like 5 months, brother. You guys are old, man. You guys are all way too old. 10 p.m. here. G and T going down very nicely. Thank you, Matt. G and T. Yep, whatever G&T is. Move Doge Grid bot to Infinity Grid bots. Doge Climb a baby climb. Doge Climb baby climb. $600 times 5 cents per trade equals $30. Average 18 trades a day at $540 a day. I've now done 19 trades today with Infinity Bot. This dude is killing it, man. Kenneth is absolutely killing it. Kenneth, very nice, dude. We got to get on some bot trading videos with Kenneth, man. We do. Clipper's the best. Kristen's the best. Happy birthday. Absolutely. Mine's Sunday. Kristen, let me know on Monday. We'll sing to you. Nah, we are. We are. Gin and tonic. Oh, gotcha. Much ignore my 8-ball question. Much ignore 8-ball. No, we got you, Tim. As we're leaving, the 8-ball question is, got 240 acres coming up at an auction in a month. Should Tim over leverage to pick it up or no? Should Tim grab 240 acres of land? The answer is signs point to yes, Tim. Signs point to yes. You should over leverage. You should over leverage and get that 240 acres. That's a lot of land, dude. 240 acres is a lot of land. Guys, it is after 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout outs. We will be back tonight with videos tonight at 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. Please watch the videos. Click the like button. Leave a comment. All of that good stuff. And, I don't know. I think that's it. I think you guys get the gist by now. There's nobody new in here. We're doing the shout-outs, and we're going to be back tonight on your network news, man. See you later. D's. See you later. Kristen, J-Bones, Matthew, Tim, Dark Bro, Matthew, Dark Bro, Frank, Kristen, Pudgy, Transparent Trading, Dark Bro, D's, Old Rounder, Frank, Dial-Up Survivor, Kristen, Mike, SD was in here. Nick F was in here. Stephanie Bro wasn't in here, but if you're listening right now, what's up, Stephanie Bro? YouTube needs, yes. The 8-ball does need its own YouTube channel. Nufo, I agree with it. Tony D, see you later, man. Nufo, Tony D, Tim, Kenneth, Matthew, Cash, Mike, Gone Postal, Dial-Up Survivor, Gorilla Invictus, Pat, enjoy your evening, Mr. Brian, Nufo, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Dark Bro, Crypto Dreamer? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I thought we were leaving, but D's said, nope, we are not leaving. Man, I thought D's, are we leaving? Nope, we are not leaving. Dang it, D's, I thought we were leaving, man. Nope, we are not leaving. D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I thought we were leaving, but my man said, no, we need one more round. I got it. Well, we got shout-outs to Dark Bro, Crypto Dreamer, Pat, Pudgy, Tim, J-Bones, Mike, Matthew, D's, the Mad Hippie, Tim, Cash, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.